Welcome to Piano and series by Avia Learn. Today is Piano and Forehead. We will explore the exciting world of playing piano with two sets of hands and how it can develop physical skills for our students. Today we are talking about breathing and how we use breathing in our piano playing in a solo or ensemble playing. Breathing is an essential technique for musicians. They need to breathe when they sing, when they play flute, to express their musicality. But sometimes it's hard for pianists to breathe since it's not our main source to make the sound. Pianists like us should breathe in the proper way to support our phrasing and keep our energy. And you want to be super aware of your breathing when you play with others. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful duet by Grieg. Now I'm going to play the piano primo part from the beginning, and let's see how breathing helps me to phrase my playing. Okay, now let's apply breathing when we play with another pianist. You will see how we breathe together to help us align at the start. It aligns with not only our first note, but also our tone color production. Breathing can also help us add emotional and dynamic expression to our playing. When you play with another pianist, you can see how we use breathing to build the climax here. You can also see us nod together in our playing. That will be the topic for next week. Thank you for watching this intro video of piano and series. Remember, incorporating breathing technique is an important part of playing piano duets. See you next time!